Alam mga bero, nandito tayo ngayon sa Nishigahara Station. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa Earthquake Science Museum. Exciting. Finally, we arrived here in Earthquake Science Museum. Follow me here in Earthquake Science Museum.
これが震度2ですね。強以上になると、ね、緊急地震速報っていう。じゃあ最後震度7いきます。震度7。学校はあまりね、給食室とかね、そういう火を使うね。
After done the Earthquake Science Museum, a little bit dizzy, but I'm so amazed. It's free. It's good. Good experience. It's open. They close Monday. They open like 9 a.m. until 4 p.m.